This owner just found out the secret life of his cat. Look, he noticed his cats were always tired in the daytime. Some even had dark circles under their eyes. But at night, he could never find where they went. This made him super suspicious. Until one night, he saw strange lights coming from a room. He opened the door and found his cats throwing a secret dance party, like they had their own hidden club. At first, the owner did not care much, but the next day, his cats disappeared again. He finally checked a big box and found them partying inside. They were even watching videos of female cats dancing. The owner was speechless, so to fix their crazy schedule, he sealed